Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to show you the SafePal S1 wallet. This wallet is designed for all investors who are looking to store their assets in an easy, practical, and 100% secure way. When using this wallet, you don't need to connect any cables or rely on a computer to deposit or send your cryptocurrencies. This wallet combines advanced technology with a practical design, making it an excellent option for both beginners and experts. In this video, we're going to explore all its features, and I'll show you why it should be your next hardware wallet. The SafePal S1 is a hardware wallet that allows you to store thousands of cryptocurrencies and tokens with complete security with a 100% isolated signature mechanism. This is a fully offline cold storage device. It is available in 15 languages and was developed with the support of Binance Labs, reinforcing its reliability and reputation in the crypto ecosystem. This wallet features a compact and portable design, but more importantly, it provides maximum security to protect your digital assets from hacks and unauthorized access. Let's start with the most important aspect: security. An EAL5+ certified security chip and isolation technology that protect your private keys from physical and digital attacks. A self-destruct mechanism, ensuring that even if someone tries to tamper with the device, your information remains safe. Device authentication, so you can verify that your wallet is genuine. Secure firmware updates, keeping your wallet up to date with the latest features. A randomized PIN entry, adding an extra layer of privacy and security. And for even more security, it includes passphrase protection. If you don't know what a passphrase is, Sarah will explain it to you quickly.
A passphrase is an extra security key that allows you to create hidden wallets, keeping your funds even more secure. For example, if you have 24 seed words, those words generate a specific wallet address. However, if you add a passphrase, a new address is created, linked to the same seed words, but it remains completely hidden unless you enter the passphrase.
One of the best features of the SafePal S1 is that it has no Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or NFC. This means it's impossible for hackers to access your funds remotely. All transactions are confirmed via QR codes, ensuring that your private keys are never exposed. How this wallet works. When you buy a SafePal S1 wallet, you just have to download the application to your mobile device. You link the mobile device with your SafePal S1 wallet by scanning the QR code it generates. And that's it. Once linked, the only way to move your cryptocurrencies is by scanning a QR code from your SafePal S1. There is no way funds can be moved without your authorization. The SafePal mobile app is available for iOS and Android, and also comes loaded with advanced security features. You can enable secure login with PIN, pattern, or Touch ID. It has the option of address verification to avoid erroneous transfers. It has an address book to keep the addresses you use frequently in one place. Look, the security level of this application is truly outstanding. Before continuing, remember that if you want to buy this wallet, I have left a link in the video description so you can go directly to the official SafePal page and make your purchase securely. SafePal S1 supports over 100 blockchains and all their tokens with constant additions. I've selected the most popular ones so you can see the huge variety of assets you can manage. You manage all tokens and cryptocurrencies directly from your smartphone app. SafePal S1 uses 12, 18, and 24 recovery seed words. If you already have a wallet, you can recover it on the SafePal S1 with complete security. The SafePal S1 has a beautiful design. It's small, super lightweight, and ultra portable. On the front, we have a 5-button keypad and a color screen. At the bottom, there's a USB-C charging port. And on the back, we find a camera for high-speed QR code scanning. When you purchase the SafePal S1, you get the SafePal S1 hardware wallet, a quick start guide, a USB charging cable, some cool stickers, a cleaning cloth, and 3 recovery seed phrase cards to write down your backup words. If you're looking for a secure, easy-to-use wallet that lets you store thousands of tokens at an affordable price, the SafePal S1 is a great choice. In the crypto world, security is everything, and this wallet gives you that and more. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, if you like this wallet and want to get one, check the video description. I've left a link so you can go directly to the official SafePal store. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who needs a secure and affordable hardware wallet. See you in the next video.